about getting older. It's about living better. Let's explore 5 simple ways to age gracefully. Move every day, whether it's yoga, walking, or dancing. Staying active keeps your body strong and mind fresh. Fuel your body with the right nutrients. Fresh fruits, veggies, and whole foods can work wonders for your health. Surround yourselves with loved ones. A strong support system brings happiness and keeps you emotionally strong. Never stop learning. Try a new hobby, read a book, or explore technology. It keeps your mind sharp. Laugh often. Worry less. Joy is the key to a youthful heart and a peaceful mind.